LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, gluten, and grain-free summer salad favorite. That's right, it's cucumber season. And here is an amazing and easy way to make a refreshing side dish that will fit any healthy lifestyle. This cucumber salad is easy, and this video will take almost no time to watch. Here at LK Lifestyles, I offer short videos for easy solutions to your paleo life. Please subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of new videos every week. Here is what you will need to make an easy cucumber salad. 2 seedless cucumbers, also called English cucumbers. 4 teaspoons of salt divided. Half a cup of Paleo Mayonnaise. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons each of black pepper and garlic powder. And 2 teaspoons of dried dill weed. Now let's make the cucumber salad. Slice your cucumbers until they are very thin. I use a handheld mandolin slicer. Place the slices in a colander and sprinkle them with 2 teaspoons of salt. Allow the cucumbers to sit in the salt for at least 2 hours to drain, or overnight if possible. Place your cucumbers in a mixing bowl or dish and add the remaining ingredients. Stir gently to combine. Store your cucumber salad in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. This light, fresh salad is great any time of year for any family dinner or occasion. Feel confident that this is a paleo, grain, and gluten-free recipe as well as keto-friendly. Please subscribe to LK Lifestyles for new paleo videos every week.